Hey YouTube, I know it's been a while. It's been over a month, I think, since I even put a video out. A lot's been going on. We've been living in the house for about 4 or 5 weeks now. Things are it's just awesome out here. I love it. We're out here in the New Kent area. They're still building homes on the other side of the house and stuff like that. Just kind of wanted to share what's been going on and why I haven't been putting any content out. We moved in. It took us at least 2 or 3 weeks to do that, unbox and stuff. And I'm gonna walk around to the front of the house real quick. But oh, another big update too, the electric. They ran the electric. Believe it or not, it rained like hell the other day, and it kind of sunk where they trenched the line in at. So, but anyway, I'll take you in the garage in a few minutes. It's chaotic in there, but I'm currently working on that right now. But you see these guys out the turnaround here. When I go into the garage, I'll point the camera inside the shop. All done. But we've got a house being built here. If you can see it, that's another lot. And then there's a lot right over here they're working at. They're doing the foundations right now. He's actually making drainage for the cul-de-sac. We get a lot of hummingbirds around here too. It's pretty cool. Girls are out there playing. You can hear them beating on. Let me see where I'm at. Over there beating on sticks or something. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I'm getting ready to walk into the shop now. Show you what's going on. Like I said, it's a chaotic mess. But it's been, right today, I think it's 96, 97 degrees here with a heat index of like 105 or something. Just standing here is hot. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so here's the shop. I'm in the process of putting up, and I'm just trying to do this to get by. I'm in the process of trying to set up my heating and air conditioning. Heating is the last thing I need right now. But it's a 900 square foot garage, and I ordered I think a 34 or a 32 BTU unit, and they upgraded me to a 36. I guess maybe they discontinued that model or something. But here is the ductless air handler unit. I'm so excited. I just can't wait. But my goal is to get this up and running so I can at least work in here in comfort. And there's my panel. And I did just a quick electrical job just to get some power into the shop where I could run some extension cords and use a welder and some tools and things like that. So, but today's project, get the insulation up on the walls where I need it at. The ceiling is going to be done in like a chipboard. I got that all right there. And I just can't wait to get moving and start some projects happening here. But here's what it looks like. I got a lot of stuff in here. We actually have a shed coming soon too. But I'll give you a little bit of lay of the land here. I'll walk around the outside of the shop. And I'll be putting the unit actually right out here. And the reason I want it in the middle of the shop is if I'm welding or something like that, I don't have to worry about that blowing my gas away or anything, because I can always take them off of automatic and position them where I want. All right, so once I start bringing machinery in and things like that, a lot of the stuff I have down at my shop in Richmond, I think I'm gonna be bringing everything here, to be honest. Getting rid of a few things. So for you people who live here in the Richmond area, I will post a video if I'm gonna get rid of something, and we'll see if somebody will come pick it up. But that's what's been going on. I really want to get this air conditioner in so bad, it's not even funny. once I get the air conditioner in, I'm gonna feel a lot better. It'll be a lot easier to work here. I just checked the temperature just now, and the temperature for the whole week is going to be in the 95s and stuff like that. So I'm not looking forward to it. It's a little bright out here right now, but anyway, that's what's going on, and please stay tuned in. I'm hoping to start doing some more videos and some of the jobs. I may show the install of this. I'm running my own electric and everything like that, so it's things I've always done, but I am looking forward to just being cool opposed to sweat. I mean, I've only been out here for about 5, maybe 10 minutes, and that's probably longer than that now, but and it's warm. But I am going to go ahead and tackle the insulation for those areas where the unit's going to hang, the air conditioner's going to hang. And I got to punch a hole through the wall, all that good stuff. And there's plenty of videos out here on these Mr. Cool units. But this is the DIY Mr. Cool. And pumped. Thanks, guys. Later.